Hello students, this video is for grade 2nd. Let us start. Today we will read about three different sections: English, Maths and EVS. We will learn about three different subjects: English, Maths and EVS. Let us start with the first section, Maths. Write down the number names. In this question, what we have to do is we have to write down the number names. Okay, जो नंबर दिए हुए हैं इनके नंबर नेम्स हमें राइट करना है. द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 330. स्पेलिंग ऑफ 330: THREE 300. HUNDRED 130. THIRTY 30. 330. Next is 542. The spelling will be FIVE 500. HUNDRED 100. 42. FORTY 42. TWO 42. 542. In this way you have to write the number names for the given figures. Okay, इन numbers के लिए आपको number names write करने means spelling write करनी है. Understood? Yeah. So this was all about maths. Let's move to the next section, which is of English. In this question, what you have to do is you have to write each verb in their ed and ing form. Both the questions of English says the same. Okay, दोनों ही questions में आपको same करना है. क्या करना है आपको? इन verbs को ed और ing form में change करना है. Like tan, it will become tanning. TANNING, tanning. Tanned, TANNED, tanned. Wake, waging, waging. WAGING, waging. Waged, WAGED. The third word is flip, flipping. FLIPPING, flipping. Flipped, FLIPPED, flipped. Dance, dancing. DANCING, dancing. Danced, D A N C E D. Danced. Bake. Baking. B A K I N G. Baking. Baked. B A K E D. Baked. Make. Making. M A K I N G. Making. Maked. M A K E D. Maked. Use. Using. U S I N G. Using. Used. U S E D. Used. So, in this way, you have to write each and every verb in their ing and ed form. इसी तरीके से सारे verbs को आपको उनके ing और ed form में write करना है. And then you have to spell these words also. इन words को spell भी करना है, बोलना भी है, read भी करना है, so that you can learn words. Okay, you have to change these into their past participle and present participle form, ed and ing form. Let's move to the last section, which is of EVS, Environmental Studies. The question is, fill in the blanks using help box. Help box के help से आपको help box के use से आपको इन blanks को fill up करना है. You can see a few words in the blank in the help box. See the first statement. Food gives us. Food हमें देता है. क्या देता है? Tell me. Think of it. Food से हमें क्या मिलता है? Food gives us energy. Yes. Food gives us energy. Very good. E N E R G Y. Energy. Food gives us energy. Food से हमें ताकत मिलती है, एनर्जी मिलती है. See the next one. We need food to dash. हमें food means खाना, हमें खाना चाहिए क्योंकि, किस लिए चाहिए? हमें खाना चाहिए किस लिए? Live. Yes, very good. Live. L-I-V-E. Live. We need food to live. हमें खाना क्यों चाहिए, किस लिए चाहिए? जीने के लिए. Live मतलब सर्वाइव करने के लिए. We need food to live. हमें खाना जीने के लिए चाहिए. See the next one. Dash keeps our teeth and bones healthy. इससे दांत और बोन्स मतलब हड्डियां मजबूत रहती हैं. किससे? Think of it. Milk. Okay. Milk keeps our teeth and bones healthy. मिल्क से क्या होता है, हमारे जो टीथ होते हैं मतलब दांत होते हैं और जो बोन्स होते हैं मीन्स हड्डियां, ये होती हैं हेल्दी, स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, सो वी शुड ड्रिंक अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क डेली. ओके, वी शुड ड्रिंक अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क डेली. हमें रोज एक ग्लास दूध पीना चाहिए so that our teeth and bones can be healthy. In this way, you have to fill all the blanks using this help box. Help box के यूज से आपको सारे blanks fill up करने हैं. Rest you will do by yourself. बाकी आप self करेंगे. So this was all about today's sheet. In this sheet, we have studied 3 different subjects: English, Maths, and EVS. I hope you all have understood this sheet very well. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, any topic, any subject, you can ask me. Thank you.